The ultimate vegan bacon has a secret ingredient, and it's not just love. I was at H Mart, and I saw this fire sale on bulk tofu. Half price, because its best buy date was in 3 days. So block number 1 will be tofu bacon. This is an extra firm tofu, and it holds together really well when sliced with the mandolin, creating a marinade of veggie bouillon, smoked paprika, brown sugar, soy sauce, gochugaru, a splash of olive oil, and the tofu slices go swimming. And now let's add the secret ingredient, pumpkin spice. Just kidding, it's cornstarch. Mix it into the leftover marinade. You soak the tofu in the cornstarch marinade, then put it directly into the pan for a shallow fry. Fry both sides till a golden brown. The result is crispy tofu bacon that has an irresistible texture and flavor. You have to try these. Making a monster tofu cutlet sandwich that even I have trouble getting my mouth around. I was at H Mart and I bought this bulk tofu. It was half price because the best buy date was in 3 days. Yesterday, I made super crispy tofu bacon with the first block. A spot of oil, minced garlic, minced ginger, soy sauce, brown sugar. And when it starts to simmer, add a slurry of cold water and cornstarch. Reduce until you have a nice thick sauce, giving the tofu a crosshatch cut treatment on both sides. Now pan frying it. First, let's get some color on both sides. Now it's time to paint it with some teriyaki. I do both sides with 3 layers of brushing. When it's fully caramelized, I throw it on my sandwich, adding some pickled daikon and carrots, cilantro, arugula, and sweet chili sauce. The result is a super impressive sandwich with loads of flavor. Would you make one? Let's make tofu noodles. Jiggly and protein-packed. I went to H Mart and scored this bulk tofu cheap. The first block I made crispy bacon. The second block became a teriyaki cutlet sandwich. And this third block I'm turning into tofu noodles. Cut thin on a mandolin, then sliced lengthwise into noodles. They don't have to be perfect. This is good enough for the sauce, minced garlic, minced ginger, coconut milk, peanut butter. If you're allergic to peanuts, don't make this. Brown sugar, mushroom bouillon, sriracha, and sesame oil. This looks great. Sautéing some onions, bell pepper, mushrooms in the pan, salt and pepper, and add the tofu noodles and some baby spinach. Letting it steam a bit and adding the sauce and cooking through. You do have to be gentle because the tofu can break apart. Topping with green onions, crushed sesame, and gochugaru.